So basically, this is a keyboard. It comes in this box, very premium. So the keyboard itself is like really heavy, so I definitely recommend it. And that's because it's heavy. So firstly, when you get it, it comes like this, and believe me, this is not the only light color. So you can turn the light on and off. So you hold the FN key, this for on and off. But to change it, you just hold FN, and then this one, they go forward and backward to different ones. So there's this one, this one, this one, that one. Some of the best ones are these, where it reacts to touching, and you can change the colour, and it shows the colour here. So if you wanted it, so say we wanted dark blue, and then we touched it, it would be blue. But if you want to take different colours, you would press the rainbow one. I can't remember which one it is. Oh no, it's not this one. This one's purpley white, pinkish. There's that one. There's this one, a ripple effect, really good. There's this one where it's like a line going through the keyboard. There's this one, it's like a diamond, and you can also change the colour on like every single one. So that's rainbow, red, and personally I think this looks absolutely amazing. You can also change, there's more. There's this one, this is personally my favourite one, looks amazing. There's another one like this, but like it goes down like that. But this one, if I go back, it like changes colour, as you can see. There's this one where it's like a wavy pattern. There's this one where it's like, I don't know what that one is. There's this one, that, and then there's this one. I think this is the last one. Oh wait, no, there's this one. I don't know what that is. And then there's this one. This is a really good one. And then not only that, but in the box, when you open it, it's an amazing Fortnite. It just really matches my combo. If you open it, wait, I need to put the light on for this. Hold on. Alright, let's have a look. So, you get spare keycaps. I have red, but if you want to test out other ones, you can. So spare keycaps, really good. And then this accessory box. So in the box you get a really good high quality USB-C. I'll unplug it right now. It like stays in, so it's not going to come out when you're gaming. Yeah. And then let me plug it back in. If it'll plug back in. Oh yeah, I think it's in. Oh yeah, and then this is what happens when you turn it on. Turn the light on. Wait, yeah. And it remembers what you were last on. So really good. And then in here, in the accessory box, I took it out, but you also get this. Really good. So it is a keycap puller and a switch puller. And yes, this keyboard is hub swappable. So if I unplug, like take off this keycap, I take off all. So just put it in. Oh, sugar. So I put it in. It's not the best keycap puller, but it's really good. You just unplug it. Then there is a side. You just do that, pinch it, and pull it up. So yeah. Also, if you're on the right way off, it's because I clicked this in accident. So then you have a keycap. And then, so say you wanted to customize it because you didn't like the keyboards, you can do this. So you just get your keycap that you bought. I'm just going to use one of the spare ones. I'm going to use the blue one. And then you just pop it in like that, push it down, get the keycap from the one you pulled off, like that, take off that, put it on, so it go on. Wait, hold on guys, I don't know where. Oh yeah, put it on. So then I just put a spare keycap on. It's really good. This is like, so once, and obviously I want to put the red back on, but once I had a razor, it doesn't do that like every time you unplug it, it's because I keep clicking this in my hand like that. Once I had a Razer Huntsman V2 Pro, I think, and I'm not joking, so it's literally has all the same lighting effects, but you just do it by a button. But in the Razer Huntsman, you have to download an app and do that. And this is, I would basically just say this is the best keyboard, like literally £30. It is absolutely amazing. Matches my setup perfectly, and I'll show you a picture when it's like the lights off. It sounds absolutely amazing, and listen to stabilizers. That sounds amazing. The keycaps, they aren't loose or anything, they're like really good. The lighting is amazing. And it's so user friendly, because this is my first mechanical keyboard. Oh, what's that? First mechanical keyboard. It comes with this, so I think I'm gonna buy the creamy yellow switches off Amazon. So you just plug it in like that. Make sure both sides are near the bottom bit. Pinch, pull up. That is that easy. And then say I was putting, I'm gonna put my red one in. Just put it in, pop it down, boom, and then push keep it on. Perfect. So yeah, if anything, I would definitely recommend getting this keyboard and this mouse. It's only £20, and it's the Razer Huntsman. It's amazing. You can change the DPI. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when the light's off and everything. So let me just pull this away. I don't get it, because I don't get it. Hold on, guys. So I'm just gonna put it in there, repeatedly. Boom, and then I'm gonna turn the light off, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. So I'm gonna make it go all green, because so what I'm gonna do is make it go green. This is making it go just green. Like, look at the setup, guys. And like, this literally looks like the Red Huntsman right now. But yeah, personally I do like the Ripple one, but when you're gaming it doesn't look that good. It just looks like that, so it's not like the best. But personally, my favourites are this one and, wait, not that one, this one. And you can also change the colour with this, like any colour you want. Just hold this. Ooh, very good colour. But yeah, I'm gonna go for green. So that's what it looks like when I'm gaming. It's amazing, guys. Make sure to go and get yourself one.
Hi, this is a short video showing the difference between the stock blue switches on this KOORUI mechanical keyboard compared to the ACO V3 tactile switches. These are the standard blue switches that come with this keyboard, and as you can hear, they're very clicky. I have only fitted the ACO V3 cream blues into the I key. But as you can hear, they're very nice. And a good upgrade for this cheap keyboard. One thing that's been pointed out is there is two backslash buttons, keys, there and there. Presumably because they've put a long bar enter key, I think they call that ISO, rather than a UK sort of L bar enter key, which isn't that much of a problem. It's an actual pretty decent keyboard, it's got good weight. I've put all the other details that I found in the review, but I thought I'd just point out what it sounded like with better switches.
What we doing and what we on. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Tap in. Tap in. Tap in.
It's nice to see how money works in so many ways with XTB, because XTB offers a wide range of investment opportunities, even for your savings. No money works for Zlatan, and not Zlatan for money.
Be careful. Investing involves the risk of losing money and may not be suitable for you.
Zara helps you identify blockers to keep work on track. Try it for free.
With so many choices on Booking.com, there are so many Tina Feys I could be. So I hired body doubles. Outdoorsy Tina!